Stop. Go over. Here. Stop. Hobo push. Go over. Stop. Wind up. Send me a car 99 wash. Send me back up 99 wash. Put your hands against the wall. Stop. Put your hands against the wall. That's what you. Get up there. Get up. Right? No. Jimmy. Easy. Keep your hands on the wall.
Ok, suave, dame la mano. Dale, te tengo aquí.
On June 4th, 2024, a moped rider on a crowded urban sidewalk ignored two officers and a lawful order to stop.
Stop. Go over. Here. Stop. Hobo push. Go over. Stop. Wind up. Send me a car 99 wash. Send me back up 99 wash. Put your hands against the wall. Stop. Put your hands against the wall.
That's what you. Get up there.
Right? No. Jimmy. Easy. Keep your hands on the wall.
Date quieto. Ok, suave, dame la mano. Dale, te tengo aquí.
That's easy.
Alright, so units now we have one on the.
No tiene nada que lo va a copiar a él. No tiene aguja.
Thank you, Jimmy.
No tiene aguja, no tiene nada, ¿vale? Okay.
Do me a favor, search him.
Where your legs?
You got it.
Where your legs?
Ignoring a lawful police stop converts a traffic infraction into a criminal charge called eluding. It carries up to 5 years of incarceration per offense. A flight path through a pedestrian sidewalk adds aggravating factors and elevates the charge. To establish eluding, the state must prove the signal was lawful, clearly given, and willfully ignored. Bodycam audio capturing the command and the subject's response satisfies all three elements simultaneously. The vehicle was unregistered and the operator carried no valid license. Those are separate criminal violations stacked on top of eluding.
Or girl on the B6.
Slow everybody down.
Have traffic control. Disregard anyone else coming here.
Started help for that plate. When I was crossing, he came around everybody, almost hit me. I told him to stop and come off on the sidewalk. He fell on his own, and the rest of them didn't help me. We're going to take that. Out with the muscle feed. Yeah, you love it.
I saw you hurt.
No, I'm good. No, nothing. No. Yeah. No. Strowman, yeah.
Please go for us. Sorry, my crews have no going.
See what they told us?
Yeah, we're taking it. We're towing it. There's nowhere to
Come back good?
I don't know yet. I gave the plate. Yeah,
definitely come back.
that's good. Danny, the
Yeah, it's
bag.
good. Yeah, it's good.
We're good. Him.
Yeah, he's
All right, cool.
You have his wallet?
Just somebody.
You want it to go with him, right?
Yeah, we'll take it with him. That is crazy, Joe.
The charges were filed. The suspect was charged with eluding, multiple traffic summonses, and vehicle impoundment. The law then reached the registered owner, who was not present. Vehicle owners carry an affirmative legal duty not to entrust their vehicle to an unlicensed operator. The officers get an A. Under Graham versus Connor, officer conduct is evaluated against the reasonable officer standard. Every decision in this footage holds up. The sidewalk sprinter gets a D. Fleeing a lawful stop is a criminal act, regardless of whether the original stop was contested. Choosing to run converted a potential fine into a felony-range criminal charge. The moment a driver refuses a lawful stop, they exit civil traffic law and enter criminal law. Subscribe for weekly Bodycam analysis and drop a comment. What should the sentence be?
Everything's in there, Dan?
Yeah, Josh.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Shut that.
314, that's going to be 40,000.
Come on, man. Still true. I know. Just hang on. Stay.
Got the big one.
Come here. Sam, what? You want him in the back, Jess?
Yeah.
My camera's on, so.
301.
Grab in the trunk. It's secure. His bag's I'm deactivating. I'm deactivating.